Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check in online for your Turkish Airlines flight using the latest 2026 update, step by step. Don't worry if you've never done this before. I'll walk you through it in simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Turkish Airlines website or app. First, unlock your phone or open your computer. You have two options: Turkish Airlines app or turkishairlines.com. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app or website is open, tap or click on Check-in. This is usually on the home screen. In the app, you may see Check-in at the bottom menu. Tap Check-in to begin. Step 3. Enter your booking details. Now you'll see a form asking for your details. Enter your booking reference, PNR, and last name. These are usually found in your flight confirmation email. After typing them in, tap Continue. Step 4. Select your flight. After entering your details, your flight will appear. Tap on your flight number to continue. If you have more than one passenger on the same booking, you can check in for all of them here. Step 5. Choose your seat. Now you'll see a seat map. Tap on the seat you want to choose a seat. Some seats may have extra fees. The app will show the price. If you don't want to choose, you can tap Skip or Auto Assign. Once the seat is chosen, tap Continue or Done. Your boarding pass will now appear on the screen. You can save it in the app, tap Save to Wallet, Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, or take a screenshot. You can also email it to yourself. Step 7. You are checked in. That's it. You are now checked in online for your Turkish Airlines flight. At the airport, show your mobile boarding pass. If you have bags to drop, go to Bag Drop Counter, then proceed to security. Important tips. Online check-in usually opens 24 hours before departure. If you are traveling internationally, check passport details carefully. Make sure your phone is charged before flying. So that's how you check in online with Turkish Airlines in 2026. Quick and easy. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.